Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning manipulating numbers, and in today's class we will learn about power method given by Java as part of math class. Just to remind you that before you use any functions in the math class, the math class is part of java.lang package, so don't forget to import it. Once you import, you should be able to use any of these functions. Now power is very useful in many places in solving mathematical equations or expressions. Several formulas use power. It's pretty straightforward. When we say 10 to the power 5, this is the value we want to calculate it. Now you'll notice there are two parts to it. One is the base number and one is the power. Java power method in the math class does exactly the same. Math.power takes two inputs. One is the base number and another is the power. So if I want to write 2 to the power 4, you will say 2 as the first parameter and 4 is the second parameter. And that will return you 16. Now one thing you will notice it returns a double value when you do power, because the number can be a fraction too. The number will not always be an integer or a whole number, and that's why it returns a double 16.0. Second thing you will notice in this lesson, in this example here, is that I'm using a chaining here. Let me erase this. And I'm using a chaining here. I directly use this. The output of this will become input to this. In the second example, you will notice I first store in a variable and then use that variable here as part before I print the output. Both methods are okay, but I just wanted to reiterate that you don't get surprised when you see chaining in action. I have intentionally built it so that you practice and understand the concept of chaining. That's all in this class. I'll see you guys again the next one, where we'll talk about random method. Random is also very, very useful, especially when we generate random passwords and all. Meanwhile, go ahead and take the quiz, solve all the questions, and practice. Thank you again. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.